What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this one I'm going to be going over the best controller Fortnite settings, and this is basically linear, exponential, or legacy. And most people think that linear and legacy are actually the wave, but I disagree. So make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so basically, I'm going to start this off with just saying that all the people that make the videos about saying like all the top 20 controller player settings, they're ranking people like Ghost Aiden, Nick Merckx, and like Ghost Innocence and Ghost Assault. And those are all well-known pro controller players. But the thing is, minus Ghost Assault, all three of the other people have not been winning a ton of tournaments recently. And by winning, I mean getting first place. Now, if we look at the Australian Open Solos tournament, Brezzo took home the dub, and he got first place, and he was on Exponential. And the thing with Exponential is that you can tunnel better in Legacy, so it's a lot easier to tunnel, but you also get the aim assist of, you get the aim assist of Legacy as well. So it's basically a hybrid between linear and legacy, because linear doesn't have that much aim assist, and legacy has a lot of aim assist, but it's very stiff. It's very stiff, and you can't really get that good movement. And linear is a lot like keyboard and mouse. So exponential is actually the best one, because this guy dropped an 18 kill win in the DreamHack Anaheim semifinals yesterday, and he plays a PlayStation controller and he uses exponential. So basically what I'm saying is that if you actually want to look at the best controller players overall, not the most popular, the best, then they're both using exponential. But you're probably saying right now, well, what about Wavy Jacob and Unknown Army? And the thing about Wavy Jacob and Unknown Army is they're both super good at W keying, but for most people, I'd say 98% of people, 95% of people, I mean, I don't really have proof of that, but most people don't do what Unknown Army and Wavy Jacob do. So for most people, exponential is going to be your best friend, because you can tunnel well in games, so you can get the placement points, but it also has strong aim assist, so you can get the kills like you're on Legacy. So exponential is the best setting overall, and most people think it's the worst. But if you actually look at what the people that are winning the tournaments use, then they're both on exponential. So if you want to get ahead of the curve, switch to exponential right now, and yeah, see how it works for you, because honestly it should work pretty well for you. So that's it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Peace.